And what's happening, YouTube boy Tech Tricks, back in another video. Today we're looking at the brand new PS5 Slim. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Basically, we're looking at the brand new PS5 Slim. This is pretty much just a normal PS5, but the difference is you can add on or take off the disk drive. It is also a little bit smaller than the normal PS5. So let's go ahead and open that up and see how well it does. Now the bundle that we have here is the Modern Warfare 3 PS5 Slim with the lockpick extras. If you look at it in Amazon right now, it is $650 Canadian, which is super cheap. And I think that is a great deal considering that you get a game and you get the brand new PS5 Slim with it. I'm sure when people see this deal, they'll go ahead and buy one. So go ahead and check it out. Hopefully you're still able to snag one for yourself. So basically you get the box here. You get the manual right there that nobody looks at. Just gonna put that on the side. And pretty much what you get inside is the PS5 Slim. You get a HDMI, which is really good, and a USB-C cable. You also get the dual shock controller and the plug adapter. Now to take off it's all kind of like pressure fit to this. You don't need any screws, a screwdriver or anything like that. As you can see, the disk drive is able to take off. You just have to snap it on one side and it'll just slide in. Really easy to take off. Now in the back, you only get this one part right here where it connects to the PS5. And as you can see, to put it back, it's super easy as well. Now let's throw on the cover. Now, like the old one, everything, the cover on the side, it's going to be 4 panels now. It's able to just be taken off. There is this part up there where you can upgrade your NVMe SSD, which is really awesome. Now, you do get a 1 terabyte with this model, but as you can see, you're only able to use about 800 of them. You can use a USB-C hard drive, external hard drive, if you want more storage. But at the same time, as you could see, if games are about 100 gigs per, you're only able to use maybe or download, install about 5 games, and that's really it. Now of course they offer streaming your games, but that also involves you having a very fast internet, and most people don't have that around the world. So I would just recommend using an SSD, upgrading the NVMe internal, sure, and also at the same time utilizing a big, let's say 4 terabyte SSD externally using the USB-C. It works very well as well, so it doesn't matter which one you use. And of course, you get all the perks of having a PS5. New games coming out now are mostly going towards the PS5. PlayStation or Sony is full throttle on the PS5. So if you still have the PS4, I think this is the perfect time to go and upgrade yourself one. Now, of course, the price is not that cheap. I remember before PS4, you can get it when when they released the slim version. You can get it for cheaper. It's not like that at all. But if you want to play the brand new games, I would definitely recommend getting PS5 Slim. I haven't actually seen the digital version, which is technically $50 US cheaper. I've never seen it online in Canada, so I just went ahead and bought the disc one. You can buy the disc drive separately. which is $80. So this is still a cheaper bundle if you get the disc right away. And that's really it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Just a short video just to show you the how to take off the disk drive on the PS5 Slim, unboxing it as well. I'm pretty excited to use this in my gaming room, and hopefully I can show you more brand new games that are coming up on this one. I'm looking at playing Modern Warfare 3 as well. I think it's gonna be a good game, but I could be disappointed. I don't know. I haven't played Call of Duty for a while, so I'm not really into first person shooting anymore. But I'll give it a shot, and maybe go online, show you guys how to go online on PS5 as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.